Hey, I'm Brent, you're watching Steam Culture. Now, if you don't know, Steam Culture is about taking steam and culture and showing you where they connect. Sometimes it's historical, sometimes it's something really useful, sometimes it's ingenious, and sometimes it's just plain fun. Well, since it's Christmas time, let's tie them all together. You know, we got the tree, we got the presents, and with the presents, did you ever think about how they got here? Nobody talks about the sleigh. We're going to do that this week. Steam-powered sleigh on Steam Culture. Well, you remember in one of the best Christmas movies ever, Elf, that the Christmas sleigh would not fly because of a lack of Christmas spirit. So Papa Elf had to make the Kringle 3000. Well, in that same vein, in 1904, Joseph Raymond Tibbets of New York filed a patent for a steam-powered sleigh. Ingenious. Maybe not so much ingenious because it never made it, or I can't find any record that it ever made it to production. But I did find this. Yeah, that is inventors Anders Johansson on a steam-powered sled. Runs on about 40 bar of pressure, which is about 600 PSI, gets up to 70 miles an hour in 5.5 seconds. You can deliver some gifts that way around your neighborhood, but don't try this at home because that's a lot of pressure to mess with. Don't do it. So you can go out and Google the steam-powered sled, but while you're out there, drop by and see us. We have content each and every week that we are going to crank out. Even though it's Christmas, we're going to keep cranking out stuff for you. So, Merry Christmas. I will see you here next Friday.